सो गाइज अगला जो आर्टिकल है दैट इज़ हाउ टू परचेज रिपल करेंसी इन 24। ये आर्टिकल पब्लिश हुआ था जस्टिन मर्फी की तरफ से एंड दैट इज़ अवेलेबल ऑन ccn.com। इनके जो टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट है जैसे कि जो एक्सचेंजेस अवेलेबल है टू परचेज XRP, दैट इज यू कैन जॉइन ऑन बाइनेंस, क्रैकन, eToro, Bitfinex and UP Global. You can sign up on these exchanges so that you can purchase and trade XRP on these exchanges. Second जो point है that is a review of the top 5 XRP exchanges, how to choose a site to purchase XRP, various payment methods so they can deal and purchase the XRP tokens. You can use a credit card, wire transfer, other cryptocurrency as well, so that you can purchase XRP from those methods. Setting up the payment method, grasping the concept of market orders, protecting your XRP tokens, and final word on this particular article. And at the end of the article, you can see the FAQ section as well. So that is the update. You can check out this article for more details regarding how to purchase the XRP tokens. And regarding XRP, right now the price of this token is $0.53, and this token is available on various platforms such as OrangeX, Bitrue, Wix, Binance, and so on. You can go on these sites and you can purchase the XRP on this platform as well.